Hello everyone, and welcome to my channel. In today's quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to view only your friends' posts on Facebook. So, if you want to prioritize content from people you personally know, just stick around till the end of this video. First, open the Facebook app on your mobile device and make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're in, look for the three horizontal lines icon at the top right corner of the screen. On iPhone, it's at the bottom right. Tap on this icon to open the menu. In the menu, you'll see several options like Feed, Events, Marketplace, and more. Scroll down and tap on Feeds. After that, you'll see a list of options including All, Favorites, Friends, Groups, and Pages. Select Friends to filter your feed and show posts exclusively from people you're friends with. Now, your news feed will only display posts from your friends, including their updates, photos, videos, and more. This means you'll no longer see posts from pages or groups you follow, just from your friends. And that's it. It's that simple to stay updated with posts from your friends on Facebook. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel,